Hello guys, welcome back to Learn Logic. I am Nani. In this video, I'm gonna teach about how to create the database, how to create the table in database, and how to insert the some values and some particular columns into the database. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show. Let's get started. In my channel, I already posted the one video, introduction to SQL and intro to database, and how to manage the database and some data types like how many types of data and how to manage the data. And in this on that video, I'm lastly gonna teach you must and should download SQL server in your PC for further videos. So I already downloaded SQL server. See, workbench. This is the workbench, right? See, this is the view of workbench. And one other important SQL command client. Not this one. Wait, we'll show about that. MySQL. See, MySQL command line client. This is the MySQL command client. Oh, okay. What is that? See, we're gonna use some software. And we talk or we communicate with the software using these commands, these command line, these commands. For the MySQL, this is the MySQL command client. For the installation of MySQL workbench, we need to pass the one particular password before going to the open the MySQL workbench. That password is access to the our database. See, okay. See, welcome to the MySQL monitor commands and with. Okay, these are some instructions to communicate with the MySQL workbench. See, first of all, how to create the database and how to create the table. Okay. Before creating the table, we're gonna know how to create the database. Okay. See, for create a database, I use some word create. This thought. See, create database and my bad. Sorry. Database and create table like that. I tell now. So I use English language only. In that first video, I told SQL is the programming. No, it is the English language. See, these are the commands only English, right? So create database. We created some. Okay, before going to show one thing. See, one table. See, student ID, student name, and student age. Their respect to IDs and names and age. For example, today I will teach about how to create the database and how to create the table, right? Okay, let's get started. See, open. I mentioned, right, create database. So some friends, okay, we give some friends data. Friends, okay. See, query, okay, one row affected. You may observe this is the correct thing, correct sentence we use. That's why we got the output as query, okay. These are the queries. And next one, use database. See, error. Use database means I use database friends. So use friends. See database change. Okay, now teach about user database means, okay, I created one database, and at which database I can insert these some values or some tables. Then command use database with the particular database, right? That's why I pass the value use friends. After that, insert, no, insert the columns, right? See, after that create table in particular database, table name student, right? See, a table must have at least one visible column. Okay, table, what is the table exactly means? Some particular columns and some particular rows are there. So we're gonna create table. In that we pass some table columns. See, student and open bracket, see, student id int, comma, this is structure how to create the table. See, varchar int. Further videos I will teach about data types. On the data types I focus on that particular words. Now ignore that, focus on main thing. Okay, student id, name and student age. This is all the int types. And close, and this is the major structure for creating table. See, table we pass one column name, and we pass second column name, and we pass the third column name. See, query, okay, 0 rows affected. Okay, after that insert some values, right? Insert some values means this is the one command, right? For the value, insert some values. Insert student values, see, int id, and after that Manikanta is there for the first id, and age 20, some for example 22, right? Quarter maybe. See, query, okay, one row affected. See, after creating one row affected, now the values must and should store the particular table student, and you may insert some other values, right? Insert student values 2. See, already one is used, key id is one is used, and after that 2 you may pass, like maybe 20 age. While passing the commands, annotations are must and should. See, query, okay, 0 rows effect, and after that another student we pass values 3, id is used, right? Not used, and Manohar age 22. See, right? Okay, that's fine. So sir, query, okay, and rows affected. How can I show that data in a particular table? Okay, that's fine, it's easy for me. See, select from student, right? See how the beautiful the table will be stored in particular data. See, student id, student name, and 1 2 3 Manikant. Okay, I used it on command, right? See, select from table name. See, you may observe this star, right? You may observe this star means all. Star means all. Select all from student. Whatever values inside the student we are selected, right? Select all. and some other notation. See, for the your homework, this is the table, right? You may research about the DOB, date of birth. How can we store the particular data type? This is a research for you. See, and recap what we are learned today is how to create database and how to create the table. See, these are the commands, particular rules. First one, create the data types and use the database and create table, something, some name, okay, and insert the some values into particular table. These are the following steps, and these are the all. And we also one observed, right? For the value name, I pass C, single quotation, right? This is a very important. Do not do the mistake for the insert the student name. Only use single quotes, okay? Then only we insert particular name into the table. That's fine. Today itself I'm gonna stop. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to Learn Logic for more content.